It's a Biggie beat.
The City of Love was once again a witness to history as the Junior NBA and the Junior WNBA programs staged its third regional selection camp of the year. A total of 299 children gathered at the Ateneo de Iloilo Gymnasium to showcase their skills and participate in several drills. Aside from all the hopeful kids and legendary coaches, a former Junior NBA All-Star was also in attendance to share his incredible experience to fellow Ilonggos.
Yung memorable moment ko po talaga doon sa Beijing, yung nanood kami ng NBA na libre pa mismo. Na dati, dream ko lang na nung bata ako na makapanood, na makita yung mga idol ko. Nung pagka last year po October yung Global Games, surprise po talaga ng NBA sa amin na makapanood kami ng Brooklyn, Sacramento Kings live. Nakatunga po talaga ako. Sabi kong gulo ng lalaki ng mga players. Isang talon lang nandun na kaagad sa ring.
After the two-day event, 6 talented athletes were chosen to advance in the national training camp to represent Western Visayas. They are Vince Andrew Jaime of Huaxiong College, John Paulo Villarisa and Lucky Charm Ramos of Sun Yat-sen High School, Ian Dominic Espinosa of Ateneo de Iloilo, Janedith Ruth Valle of Barrio Obrero National High School, and Sean Sumagaysay of the Colegio Sagrado Corazon de Jesus of Iloilo.
Si Coach sumabi sa akin na nagsali ako ng Junior NBA at nagpa-practice ako araw-araw para ma-master ko yung mga skills.